So this is task 2, okay, drawing shapes by using nested loop. Okay, so to begin with, I guess I do it in one go. So I will add 2 more items so that I can cook it all together. So I got these 3 items. So each of them will be drawing. Okay, maybe I just use one more item so that we need not use this cat, okay, because we would like to draw something. So for example, now for this spell, I would like to draw the 4 smaller square. So first, how do we begin with? We go to click this one, and then remember, take the pen, erase all, and then pen down. Okay, and now because we need to draw 1 square, so we go to control and then for 4 times. So this is for one square. So let's see what is going on. So we just move it for like 80 step. This is the length, and then ask it to turn for 90 degree. Okay, so we got 1 square. So if you just look into this one, you may find out we got 1 square already. And then what we are going to do is we need to repeat it, okay, for 4 times so that we got 4, okay, square. But you will find out if we do it like this, we cannot see anything change because we actually need to ask it to do outside. Okay, so you will see a bell like this. So we finished first part. Second, now we would like to have 8 small square. So the same apply. So once you got this one, then you go to event, when it click it, and then for the pen, we just erase all and then pen down, just like what we have done just now, and then go to control. We draw 1 square first, and then we repeat it for 8 times. Okay, so we move it for 80 and then rotate it by 90 degree. So after that, we know that this time we need to repeat it for 8 times. And if we just do the same, like if we just ask it to turn for 90 degree, you will see a square like this. That is why now we need to change this one, not 90. Do you know what should be the number? Yes, that should be 45. So let's see what happened. Okay, you see the shape like this. And last one about the basketball, we can just use it to draw the hexagon. So again, we need to go to the event, and then we can just ask the pen to erase all, and then pen down, and then you have to draw 1 triangle. So you repeat it for 3 times, and then this time you're going to move like for 80th step, and then you will have to ask it to turn 120 degree. Okay, and this time you will have to repeat it for 6 times, but you have to ask it to turn a little bit so that you got 6 triangle. So the angle is easier to be estimated because the full should be 360 degree. That means it will go back to the original position. So here you are. We just ask it to turn 60 degree. Okay, so you got this one. Now you see 120 degree. Actually, this is what you have. And we ask it to turn 60 degree. Then you will see the shape like this. And the last thing that we want to do is, now, maybe you see these terms, they are in some position. So we want to make sure that they are in the correct position. Is it clear? So we can just ask it, okay, so for example, for this ball, we move it to a certain position first, then we put it here. So it will go to that position no matter where I move it now. And then next one about the bell, okay, so we also do the same. So we go to negative, this one, so no matter where we move it. Okay, and the last one for the basketball, we check it again, this position is okay, so we jab it in, okay, for the go to here. So no matter what happened now, okay, we click it, it will go back to the original position, and then you will see this basketball. Maybe we need to move it a little bit, or we move this ball. We move this ball a little bit to adjust, okay, to adjust it. So here we need to have a new position. So maybe here that should be fine. Okay, And let's see. Now, this is the new position, and then we put it here, and let's see what happened. Okay, and the shape is good enough. And the last thing, maybe we can just hide all the term so that the drawing is the only product that we have. Okay, that's it for task 2.